Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Pepe Astuce et Partage. Today I'm making a different kind of fish. This is headless red bream, which I'm going to scar first and then season with salt and some fish seasoning. The scar here will help the seasoning to penetrate and make the fish cook easily. I'm also going to use some of my green sauce that I made the other day. I'm going to put a link below so you can see how I make my marinade. So let it rest for at least half an hour. I've covered with cling film. So half an hour later, I'm just going to be using some of this sauce for my fish. Like I said earlier, I can use it as dip, marinade or sauce, whatever you want. But yeah, I'm using it for my fish. Just make sure I cover it with all the sauce all over. And inside, flip the fish over and add some more. So do the same on the other side. Fish, as it's all covered from inside to the outside. Ready to get into the grill. Turn my grill on. So the fish start getting cooked, grilled, or whatever you want to say. So I've just added some more seasoning, some more sauce. I've just added another layer of this sauce here as the fish start getting cooked. And I'm going to put it back just for a few more minutes before turning it over and add more sauce on the other side. Right, that's exactly how I like this fish. So one side done. It's been like 15 to 20 minutes, and I don't think the other side will be the same time. It will be less because it's starting getting cooked. So flip over and add some more sauce. Usually the other side will not really take the same amount of time because it has already started cooking from the top to the bottom, so it won't be that long again. Let's say 10 minutes or less. Go back. It's all ready. Red snapper with green sauce for marinade. Look at this.